As a writer on Medium, Nick Wignall earns enough money to pay his mortgage. For the past 18 months, he has been earning around $2,000 per month. And you know what's the crazy part? He does it without hurting his blog's SEO and visibility on Google. That's right, none of his Medium articles outrank his blog. So keep watching the video to learn how he does it and why publishing on Medium is still a good idea. Nick is a clinical psychologist that specializes in anxiety. He's also a writer, podcaster, and teacher. That's exhausting just imagining doing all that, but don't get discouraged. We are just going to focus on Nick as a writer. He started publishing on Medium in late 2017 at a rate of 1 to 2 articles per week. In these 4.5 years, Nick didn't make any money for the first 2 years. That's more than 100 posts without earning a penny from Medium's partner program. But he kept going, and in year 3, Nick got his first $1,000 a month. Today, Nick has more than 150,000 followers on Medium and earned $4,516 in August 2022. Nick also earns around 300 to 400 newsletter subscribers per month, and that is his secret sauce, as you will see later in the video. Now that you know Nick's story, it's time to address how writers make money on Medium. Medium pays writers in 2 ways, through the partner program and referral bonuses. Most writers' earnings come from the partner program, which has 3 requirements: have more than 100 followers on Medium, have published 1 article in the last 6 months, and live in a country where Stripe operates. After you meet these requirements, you need to apply to the program before putting the articles behind Medium's paywall and start earning money. So, readers pay their membership to Medium, which costs $5 per month. Then, Medium takes this money and shares it with writers depending on how much time each subscriber spent reading their articles. In Nick's case, this was $4,195 in August from the partner program. The second way of earning money is via referral bonuses. After each writer joins the partner program, they get a referral code. Then, when someone subscribes to Medium through their referral code, the writer gets 50% of the membership as long as the subscription is active. This is extra money on top of the partner program. For Nick, this represented $320 in August. Now comes the most important part of the video. There are a lot of misconceptions about using and writing on Medium. I was included in that group until I saw this response from Nick in 2021. One word on his tweet is the key to properly using Medium. The key word is republishing. That's right, it's possible to make a lot of money on Medium without having to exclusively publish there. Here's how it works. Nick writes an article on his blog, then he copies that article to Medium, but before publishing, he sets a canonical URL back to his blog. This has a massive SEO benefit for the blog, and everyone that uses Medium and have a blog can and should do the same. In practice, a canonical tells search engines like Google where the original content was published. And since Google doesn't want to show duplicate content in the search results, using canonicals is highly recommended when you publish the same content across multiple websites to make them index the original piece. So when you set a canonical URL, you are telling Google, here's the original link to the article, please only show that in search results. And almost every time Google will be like, okay, we can do that. This means that using Medium doesn't have a downside regarding SEO, as it does not make the republished article from Medium rank higher than your blog. Nick has been using these canonicals for a long time with the success you have seen in this video. This is one of the reasons why Nick is not considering moving away from Medium despite its decreasing popularity. The other reason is Nick's secret sauce and how much money he indirectly makes because of Medium. I'm talking about his newsletter. Nick told me he earns $15 per newsletter subscriber, and remember, he has been getting around 300 to 400 new subs per month. That's at least $4,500 per month. These numbers blew my mind. But how does he make so much money from subscribers? I forgot to ask, but I see that Nick has a course about emotional intelligence, so I assume a lot of the revenue comes from that course. As we have seen so far, Medium has little to no downsides for Nick, and Medium is one of the main reasons he grew his newsletter to more than 21,000 subs in 3 years. However, it's important that I tell you that not everything is sunshine and roses. Earning money on Medium is hard, really hard. Only a tiny percentage of writers earn decent money from Medium. There's an article from 2020 saying that only 6% of writers earned over $100 from Medium. I know $100 is not much, but it's something. And if your strategy involves republishing articles from your blog into Medium, it might be worth the effort. But if you decide to publish exclusively on Medium, it might be a challenging task. That's why using Medium as an acquisition channel is a smart idea by trying to convert readers into newsletter subscribers. This will help build your influence over time, and if you have an info product to sell, that's even better. In an AMA from 2021, Nick said he struggled during the first year on Medium because he was posting very long and in-depth articles. But then he adapted the style to fit Medium's readers and got massive success out of it. This is something you should consider as well. Your articles should fit the platform if you want to succeed there. And this is how you can make money on Medium the smart way without hurting your blog. Thanks for watching.